Hello traders, I want to introduce a major update to Bounce Trader and uh, let me start that with I've changed the bar types. I'm now using Bounce bars and they're similar to um, Unirenko bars, but I had to modify it for my strategies. So as you um, see this reversal bar right here, and so it's like 25 ticks. Regular bars are 5 ticks. So and that's why I'm switching to from regular, 10 20 Nizarenko or 20 10 Nizarenko or 10 5 Nizarenko to this 5 5 25. And I've tested this. It's the reason why I'm changing it because there are some issues with Nizarenko, number one, and these bar settings are more versatile. You can configure them however you want them to be, and so basically, you do 5 5 and times 5, 5 5 25. If you do 6 6 here, that'll be 30 here. So however I do it right here, you know, that's what it is. And on my higher time frame chart, I use 10 10 50. Okay, and so these green and red bars, I guess, they're coming from an imbalance indicator. It's kind of separate. This one, um, I also have this one up for sale. Um, and this tells you, it takes calculations between this bar right here. I show it. It takes the imbalance or FVG. We're measuring this imbalance with at least 2 points in height between high of this and low of this. So it takes three bars. One, two, one, two, three, and between them there should not be overlap of two 2 points. So that signifies a good reversal point. Like right here, there was no 2 point and it went there. Uh, right here, this was there was no imbalance because it immediately reversed. Also here, and there was a red one here, but then immediately followed by a green one. Uh, okay, so that's that, and the so I'm just it's up to you, but I am switching to these bounce bars, and I'm switching for this reversal proportions, 5 5 25, because it really eliminates a lot of noise what could happen here before it actually reverses. So yeah, and as let's look at the strategy. Now this bounce trader algo V6 is what I called it. Now there will be several strategies, but for this video I'm just showing one strategy. It's a 34B. Let me just close these ones off because all of the settings will be in this 34B. The rest of the strategies I'm still working on them, but that will be a separate video for them. And so just the basic stuff. We have if we're trading 34B, then we're selecting these EMAs, fast, slow. We're selecting angulation filter. Let's just put this for 2. And we want to have filter for 34B, which is 89. So it means that this needs to be, if we're going long, this EMA needs to be lower than this EMA. We want to select a second EMA. That would be like 200, would be below 89 for loans. And if we are selecting use higher time frame, we define higher time frame in here in this section, which is 10, 10, 50 basically. And this show major EMA HTF should be deselected for now. That's for a different strategy. And so let's say that let's go without HTF. So let's look at this. Now I put a time filter that it starts at 7 a.m. So it's not gonna take any trades until 7. And we're selected that it takes all the EMAs as filters into consideration. Let's see if I don't know why it's not opening, but it should be. Yeah, I opened it, so yeah, yes, this was the trade. Let me mark it. So we specify that current angulation should be 2, so 73 right here, and 69, so that's at least 2. Now it doesn't take into consideration these imbalances levels, but we're just saying that it's taking those bars. Now, and you could obviously you can play around with it and find out the um, most suitable settings for you and however you trade in it. Yeah, we are basically filtering out that we want this to be really high, at least 2 points. So it took here, but it didn't take it here because this was not 2. Didn't take this one and didn't take this one. But this one didn't quite reach lower than 34 EMA. So that's that's the way it works. And if let me just show it with HTF. Let me reload. Yeah, it's still reloading. So, and my idea was to use this higher time frame chart as market conditions chart and basically We just want to see, well, I want to enter loan if we have angulation loan here as well. Now I've tried to come up with exact parameters like 34B here and 34B here, but it's non-existent. It rarely happens. So I had to find out other strategies for higher time frame. So and basically what you do is now you want to loosen up some of these filters, maybe this one, if you're selecting this one. And we're saying that 8 must be, 8 is fast, 34 is slow, and angulation must be at least 7. You also could put filter EMAs there, but let's not for this purposes. Um, so let me actually, just to make it more visible. Well, actually, never mind. Yeah, let's run it. So I've loosened up those filter EMAs. I was gonna loosen up angulation filter too. I think I should have do that. Let me do that real quick. So we're going to select at least one, not two, and no EMA filters. So we just want to make sure that if setup happens here, the angulation will be here as well. Angulation is of 7 points. Okay, so we took this one, angulation here, and 959 we have, it's really high, and 76 minus 60 is like 10 angulation. So this was right. And yeah, so it opened there. Yeah, we just specified really high angulation and higher time frame. So yeah, I was gonna show you this update here. And if you've purchased bounce trading system, it's for you included. You could I will put download links in this YouTube video, and you can download and upgrade uh, bounce trader v6, and also you can download this bounce trader bounce bars. Thanks.